Congratulations, you just received your reward from Just Play. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I played Just Play and I earned some token and I withdrew that token into my PayPal account. So if you guys are looking for using your free time and playing some game, I hardly recommend you these two apps that I had played and I did withdraw in these 2 weeks. So I'm going to show you the first of all I'm going to show you the cash day, which it's very legit game that I had googled it and I checked the reviews, and it's a very good game that gives you a real coin, a real money, and you can enjoy, you can enjoy playing, and that give you real money that you can enjoy your free time. And another game I hardly recommend you is that Just Play. Just Play is the game that you can enjoy, and it's very legit. You can withdraw into your PayPal account or some other token, and either you can donate the coins to some who are needed, like in Ukraine or some other countries. You can donate that money, so you can play Just Play and Cash Day. These two games I hardly recommend because I especially played and I earned. And now I'm going to show you my PayPal account, and this is my PayPal account, and $10.72 is my main balance, PayPal balance. And how this balance I got, I played 2 weeks. These 2 weeks I played these two games and I earned this. I know this money is very like a very small amount of money, but still you can use your free time. So I recommend you these two games. One is Just Play, the legit game. You can earn a small amount of money, and another is Cash Day. You can earn some coins. Thanks for watching.